Hello everyone, so let's see what the cards are telling about you today. Let's just go with the cards. Anchor, a beautiful, beautiful card actually. As I said, a beautiful card because it means settling down, it means stability, it means security, it means that you are going to be grounded today and you are going to get what you deserve. Something good is coming your way, something positive is coming your way. It also appears that whatever you're looking for solutions in whichever area of your life, you will be getting solution for that and you will be happy that at last, after so much of hard work, so much of turmoil, you got the result that you wanted and you got the success that you wanted. Now let's see if that is right. Now that's again a reconfirmation card or a reaffirmation card, the stars. Can you see the beauty of the card? The stars card, it looks so pretty, it looks so more colorful, like we say, the rainbows. If you see the color of the rainbows, you can see the color of the rainbows there. And moreover, whenever the stars card has come for me, this Lenormand card in a reading, I have always thought fame, encouragement, happiness. It's more like the feel that I have achieved everything and now I know what I need. Now this also can indicate a promotion for some, profits for some. If you are in business, good new business opportunities, income increase. So everything is good which is going to happen today for you, and you're going to feel happy that it is happening. Some of you might even achieve or receive name in your field. Maybe your manager will appreciate you, your boss will appreciate you, your family members, your better half, your partner will appreciate your work, the way you handle home. So overall it's a good day. Now let's see what this card is saying. Sovilo. The card Sovilo usually means concentration. It means also speed and growth. It helps you in knowing what you have to do. So whatever is this brightness, Sovilo is more like an indication that it will shed light to you as to what you have to do to become successful, to achieve your goals and to get what you're desiring today, be it profits, be it promotion. You might get an idea what you should do for the promotion to happen. You might get an idea on what you should do for income to increase. So everything is falling in place and you will be happy that it is falling in place the way you want it. Now let's see the affirmation card. Okay. I would say it says that resolved by a good decision this week. So maybe I would say today I seek the light from the divine to help me achieve my goals. I seek the light from the divine to help me achieve my goals. Say this 11 times. Wear something in purple because we are going to connect with the divine to get his messages and to become successful and to gain the name, fame, and success. So, purple color. Also, in the morning, if you get time, do meditate for 5 minutes saying, today my day is going to be good, and you will feel beautiful changes also around you. So, have a blessed day. If you all are liking it, please leave comments as to how you like the readings. It helps me in bringing in more and more detailed readings, more and more add on points whenever I see all your comments. Thank you.